Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is Sony Xperia 5, and now I'm gonna show you how to see available storage space on this device. So first you need to open the settings, and here you will see the storage, and as you can see here on the storage name, here we have information about usage of storage. So I have used 38%. And I have 79% free. You can click on it to see the graphic about it, but here we have no percents. You can see, so we have used 48 gigabytes from 128, and here you can see 38% from so free is 79. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.